Hello guys, welcome to Pre-Tech Ideas. Welcome back to our another video on Rank Math. Guys, in this tutorial we will set up local SEO in Rank Math. Local SEO is a set of technique that help us in our local business to appear in Google search more prominently, accurately. Because some of companies, we have a restaurant, we have a local shop, we are plumber, we have any type of local business. Local SEO is about reaching people in more specific area or location like cities, districts, and this is very helpful. So before we start this video, make sure you already install Rank Math SEO plugin. If you don't know how to install, you can check out my other videos. There is a complete tutorial about Rank Math and where you will learn from beginning to advanced how to set up Rank Math more beginner friendly way. So here, as we already have Rank Math SEO plugin, we will go to dashboard option first. In the dashboard option, first we have to enable our local SEO option. When you scroll down, you will see local SEO and we will enable this option. After we enable this option, we will click on setting. Okay, so after we click on setting, so here is our local SEO setup area. So first of all, the important thing here, first you must have all complete detail about your company, like phone number, email address, name of the person, name of the SEO of company. If you are a company or organization, then you have to select here organization. Or if you are a single person, you are running individually any business like plumbing, dog walker, any other single person, you have to select single person. Then definitely we need to provide our website name here. As my website name, Z-Lansing Online example, you have to provide your website name. If your website has any alternative name, some businesses has example sister companies, some business has uh, running under one single particular company, but they have subsidiary companies. Next, then you have to provide your website alternative name if your company has. Okay, if you're single, you can leave this option. If you are a company is particular this company name, if your company has no other name, then you can also provide your same name here in the website alternative, or you can leave this option. Next, we have person, organization. If you select here person in upper setting, then you have to provide your full name. As my full name Prit Kalirona, you have to provide your full name. If you choose organization here, then you have to provide your organization or company name here. Okay, after this step, we have to provide our logo. Let me choose my logo. Make sure you have already your logo. This will help us in not only in Google search, this will make our company or business strong identity. Make sure you have a beautiful logo. You can create your logo on Canva for free. Okay, after you provide your logo, then you have to provide your website full URL name. The website name you're running, you are configuring right now, Rank Math. You have to provide this URL. Make sure you have to provide URL with proper way. What I mean proper way? Make sure you have to provide HTTPS. If your website on secure server, then you have to provide complete HTTPS column double slash. If your website has www dot, make sure you provide the same URL here. After you provide your same URL, we will go to next option, use multiple location. Example, if my website or my company offering multiple my business on multiple locations. For example, if my business in my one business or branch in my local Victoria city, if other branch in far away little bit, but we have a different multiple location of business, then we have to enable this option. As you can see, read here, once you save the changes, we will create a new custom post called locations. This will create custom post type. As you can see here, like all these are post type, page, all post type, and this will create one more location post type, where you will provide, you can add multiple location of your business. Okay, then you have to enable this option. If your website has or your business has single location, you have to disable this one. And next, search engine display your email. Make sure you provide your email, business or company customer service email or your company official email. Make sure, because it will display on search engines, like when someone going to search about our company, like uh, Filipino restaurant, the company name, and they will see my company URL, they will see my phone number, they will see my email address. It will make them easy to contact to the businesses, to the companies. Okay, make sure you provide your correct email address here. Then we have address. You have to provide your company uh, address, operational address. If you are a single person, you can provide your business address where you do business as a single person. Make sure you type street address in the street box, locality, reason. Make sure you fill out all the options in this option, in the address. Then address format. Address format, it will, the format will used when the address is displayed. If you using this short code here, rank math content contact info, this will display first your address, locality, and region, postal code, the way it is formatted here. But you can change this one. Okay, you have to press this option. You can change like New York, NY, and in the postal code, and you can select any format you like. You have to just select the format for the address. Then business type, what type of business you have as an organization. We have all the options available here in our rank math plugin. You can choose your business here: gas station, auto wash, motor dealer, motorcycle dealer. If you have art gallery, bakery, you will find all the businesses, like legal service. Okay, when you scroll down, you will find out more options here. You have an option for NGOs, news or media company. A lot more options you will see here. Then next, we have opening hours. Opening hours of our business. If my business is opening, say, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., okay, then we have to first select the day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If example, if you are closed on Sunday, um, we have in the row Sunday, you have to go to Sunday, and you have to remove, or you have to not do not display any number here. Okay, as you can see here, select opening hours, you can add multiple sets if you have different opening or closing hour. Example, if your business opening 24 hours, then you have to provide 24 hours like this one, 24 hours. Example, if Monday, your business on Monday is open from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., 2 p.m. till lunch break, then you can modify it. But if 24 hours, you can provide 24 hours in all the options like Monday, Tuesday. According your business, what opening or operation time of your business, you have to provide according that. Okay, you can select here opening hour format. If you want, we go with the 12 or 24, you can select that one. When we scroll down, next option we have customer service. Phone number. Actually, phone number. Yeah, we have to provide our company phone number here. That first we have to select the phone number we are going to provide is a customer service, technical support, billing support, sales, or any package tracking. Okay, or emergency. Okay, mostly people we provide customer service, right? As a business, we provide mostly customer service, technical support. Okay, but for example, if your business has different customer service and business different technical support team, then you have to add number. Click on add number and select technical support, and you have to provide that technical support number here. But if you have a single company number, you can select the format here, the option, and provide that number with country code like +1 401 455 1212, like in the format. Make sure you add country code before you add number here. Then we have a price range, the price range of the business, how much the price range or your product price range or company, any you're offering any service, the service price range, what is the price range you're offering, you can provide this, but this is optional. But if you want to display this price range, you can display this one. Google Map API key is I would say important for the businesses if they want to display in their local area. You have to provide Google Map API key. You have to simply click downside Google Map embed API key. If I click this option, another window will be open from Google Map platform where we have a step-by-step how to get API key. Then you have to select this option, go to Google Map platform gradient page here. Okay, this will bring you to console cloud. Okay, then you have to go to next option. First you have to select your project. If you not have any project yet, you have to create new project for your local business. Click on new project. Then you have to name your project, location, your company location again. Okay, once you create this project, then you have to go to APIs and services option where you will able to get API key for the maps, Google Maps. Then you have to put that API key here. For more information, please scroll to this page. Just go down, click on this link given here, click on that and scroll all the page. You will have more information about API key. Okay, then geo coordinates, latitude or longitude. If you want a specific in the location from the map, for example, if I go to Google Maps, let me open my Google Map, any location here. If I have to scroll, zoom in, first I have to look what area my business located in. I will zoom little bit, and on the location I will right click with the mouse, and you will see this value. Okay, 10.38567. You have to just copy this one and provide this into geo coordinates like that. Okay, to specify the particular area or location, to make that more exact where it is the location, okay, you can provide that value here. Next we have a about us page. About page, make sure your website has already about us page. If your website already have about us page, then you have to click on select page and search for your about us page. If you name it about us, then start searching ABO about us and your page will be open. Okay, make sure your page name you set to about us, so you will find it easily in the search option here. Same here, downside contact page. You have to select the contact page as well. For example, in the search engines, when people search your website in that particular location, they will see your about us page, contact us page, all the information. So make sure you provide all correct information. For the contact us page, let me start typing contact us, select page, and boom, we have to save changes. That's our local SEO. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. I really appreciate if you like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you so much.